My friends, yes, you guessed it. It is time for another Into the AM clothing haul. Let's get straight into it. Ladies and gentlemen, Into the AM clothing never ceases to disappoint. I might have to wrap you around a little bit. We're getting a little bit blown out, but not really. We are in beautiful San Clemente, California, where we started last video, and then we went to Waco, Texas to surf the wave pool there, and now we're back in San Clemente at literally the same spot where I started the other video from, and that was a different clothing haul. I have the Into the AM beanie as well. Absolutely love it. Been wearing it on the beach for my night walks, grounding. Let me see if I can wrap you around this direction here. Yeah, that's a little bit better. A little less washed out right there, but still the beautiful ambiance of San Clemente, California. Now, as we get into this, I'm not going to take up too much of your time. These are absolutely fantastic clothes. They fit absolutely beautiful for my athletic build. I am 5'8", I am 155, with a humble heart, jacked. I work out a lot. I do a lot of cardio, and they're starting to get better fabrics, which is nice. What do I mean by that? Getting away from the polyesters. This is a 100% cotton shirt, so it will shrink a little bit, but when they do shrink, it wraps even tighter. Just a little bit, but it has a really good look. Let me go ahead and step up here. I got my Vans on. You can't see my Vans, but there they are right there. I got my fresh Vans slips. This is a really cool shirt. Now, before we get too far into the video, and before I show you all these amazing clothes, if you want 10% off of anything on Into the AM's website, there are a little caveat behind that as well, except for the packs and the final sale items. But if you want 10% off of anything else, direct link will be in the description box below. Once again, use that direct link for 10% off anything on their website except for the packs and final sale items. They're great clothes. I have a ton of Into the AM clothing. I love them. I wear them all the time, pretty much every day or every other day. These are new colors. It's almost like it's not a white, it's not a yellow, kind of a cream, as we can see. It's a beautiful shirt. Look at the print. Look at this tree print. That looks really good. I don't know if there's anything on the back. I don't think so. But I wanted to wear this to church the other day, but it literally just showed up on the doorstep today. Absolutely fantastic. So again, I got the beanie on. Down below, we have a little Into the AM logo right here. Oh, and before I do forget, all of these shirts are going to be medium size. And let me go ahead and step up here one more time. Again, with 100% cotton, it will shrink just a little bit, but this is right off the bat. If you like something a little bit athletic, where I know a lot of people are kind of getting into a little bit more of the clothes where it's not super like draped in athletic, it depends what you personally like. I really like the feel of this one. Nice tight in the chest, tight on the arms. It looks good, but it drapes a little bit, I wouldn't say loose, but looser than some of my athletic build shirts that kind of are more tight around the waist. So it just gives you that like nice, chill, surfer, I'm just going to go with it, surfer vibe look with your Vans and your kicks and your jeans. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. All right, so we're going to go through a couple of these prints. Love the fit and the print of this. If I didn't mention, unless otherwise stated, again, 100% cotton and made in Nicaragua. Love it, love it. Okay, let's go through and let's start looking at the next. All right, this one is absolutely incredible as well. All right, so this one is absolutely fantastic. Now, some of these prints could be slightly different. It should be the same shirt. This is, again, this one is 100% cotton as well. And I just checked the tag again. It's made in Nicaragua, but printed in the USA. This is their graphic tee collection, of course, as we have already discussed. Maybe we haven't. Look at that moon. It's the astronaut literally on the moon. I love Into the AM's graphics tees because I love just astronauts and moon men type of a vibe to it. This one doesn't have the little tag down here at the bottom as the other one did. And I can tell this one is going to be a little bit more tighter when it does shrink. And if you've seen my other video, when it does, it hugs my body just absolutely beautifully. And it doesn't shrink too much, but what I'm getting at with shrinking, if it feels perfect, then hang dry it and make sure you don't throw it in the dryer. This shirt feels absolutely incredible. Even if it tightened up just a little bit more, it would be like spot on fantastic. Anyway, Moon Man shirt. This is kind of a grayish color. It's an absolutely beautiful color. Looks great on my build. Looks great without the beanie. I'm still wearing my jeans and my Vans, and I like what I see. Let's move on to the next one. And like I stated, all these shirts are medium. I'm 5'8", 155, athletic build once again. All right, the next one. Now, again, I stand corrected. The gray one we just saw was printed in the USA, made in Nicaragua. These two colors, the one we saw previous, the first one, as well as this one, and I think I have one more over there. It just says made in Nicaragua. So unless otherwise, then it's printed in the USA. But anyway, they're all 100% cotton. This one is as well. This is a medium. This one has the little logo down here at the bottom, just like the first one. The cut is pretty much the exact same in the first color as well as this color. Just the print is a little bit different. We're going more of, let's get you a sunshine shot on that one. Look at that. There's like a little road and like a little, castle right there. Look at how cool that graphic tee is. That's absolutely incredible. This shirt is beautiful. Once again, has a little bit more of a looser drape to it than the gray one. And if you like this, just hang dry it and don't over dry it. It's absolutely beautiful. Fits nice here, a little bit loose right here. Okay, let's go to the next one. That's a great print as well. And I don't think anything is on the back of this one, as well as there was nothing on the back of the gray one, unless I come back and stand corrected, but I'm pretty sure. Again, the website will have all that information as well. All right, this one is awesome as well. So this is going to be the same fit as the more of a darker gray, space gray, whatever you want to call it. This one's going to be one that tightens up a little bit more than the cream color. I'm just going to call them the cream color ones. This one, made in Nicaragua, 100% cotton, printed in the USA. So the print was, again, done in the USA. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at it here with your bear in the river with your sunset, looking absolutely fantastic. That is a great print, and I double checked all the other ones. There was nothing on the back of the shirt. There is going to be on this last one, but this is a really cool print. This is a kind of a darker, I'm not going to say like, it's green tones. The website will have it a little bit more clear than you can see here. Yeah, you can see the green tones, but looking jacked. They fit absolutely fantastically. Not to mention, again, 100% cotton. Get away from that polyester junk. Polyester is literally plastic. Don't wear plastic. Don't drink out of plastic bottles. Let's biohack, baby. Okay, we got one more to show you. This one's a good one. Okay, this one might be one of my favorites. This one has, and this is the exact same thing as the other. I really like this color. Little tag down here. This is some of their newest ones as well. We have ourselves, let me get you in the sunshine. We got ourselves like a little squid? No, little flower? Yeah, a little flower there, because the reason I said squid is, let's get to that real quickly here. So a little logo right up here, and that's looking absolutely primo. But let's go ahead and flip you around here and let's get that shot for you. As we can see here, what is that, an octopus or is that a squid? I think that's an octopus. And with like flowers, I mean, how cool is that? That's looking absolutely fantastic. Again, same thing, 100% cotton, made in Nicaragua. The print, also in Nicaragua. I mean, absolutely fantastic. That's going to be a killer shirt right there. Ladies and gentlemen, as we can see here, your boy loves Into the AM clothing. I'm not going to lie to you on this one. I probably have 20 shirts, pants, beanie, and I wear them all the time. I wore my pants to church several times, and it's so nice here. I typically wear jeans, but I mean, like, let me get you a little backup shot here real quickly. Let me just show you what it looks like with the Vans and my shirt. Let me go a little forward here. Look at that. Look at that outfit. Look at that drip. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want 10% off of your order, these shirts I just showed you, again, except for the packs and except for the final sale items, but any other thing that I have showed you, any other thing on their website, if you want 10% off, use the direct link in the description box, as well as the pinned comment down below is going to be that direct link. Go over and shop. You're going to enjoy these clothes. I thoroughly enjoy them. Check out my other video as well. I'll have that linked at the very end of this video if you want to see their golf shirts, some other shirts, etc. But shop around, enjoy your clothes, but also don't spend money you don't have. So don't go into debt, don't put it on credit cards. But if you have the funds and you want some new drip, if you want some new clothes, then shop on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech-related videos, DIY house projects, and more. Once again, your links are below, description box and pinned comment. I will see you on the next video. Enjoy your clothes. Take care for now. Bye-bye.